Hey everyone, welcome to the future. We're diving straight into the latest AI news, and yes, we have a huge giveaway happening right now.
I'm giving away a 1-week Claude Pro subscription to 2 lucky viewers.
This is your chance to test out the smartest AI models, skip the waitlists, and supercharge your workflow without spending a dime.
Get 1 week free Claude Pro usage. Write in the comments below.
AI translates seamlessly.
Whether you call it Claude's computer use or Claude in the Co-work tab, it opens up completely new possibilities for handling and automating boring, repetitive tasks like this one.
Control, T-minus 10 seconds. Rocket engines burning bright, launching into the infinite night. Cosmic frequencies surrounding me, breaking through without a sound. Galaxy spinning, stars collide. Infinite journey, what a quantum ride. Faster than light, breaking free, traveling beyond.
Get 1 week free with Claude AI. Unlock the power of AI. Start your free trial now.
Here is exactly how to win. First, make sure you are subscribed to AI VINCI. Then, drop a comment down below saying Claude Pro FREE.
I will let Claude pick 2 random commenters on this video in an upcoming video. Don't miss out, get commenting, and I'll see you in the next one.